welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll unbox this fire truck playset. Yes, working water pump. Let's unbox it. Cool! It's a fire truck. It even has a manual with it. Oh, look, kids. You can put water inside there by pressing a button. Let's take it out. Oh! It even has a tiny fireman. Oh, awesome! Let's put him inside the fire truck, guys. Now let's check this out. Cool, it even has an X on this side. And the other side too. Oh, look, it even makes sounds. Cool. Oh, it even has a pipe with it too, guys. It even comes with tiny materials for the fireman. Number 1's instructions. First, we have to turn the ladder. Step number 2 says we have to unscrew the little pipe from the tank. So let's unscrew the pipe from the tank. Step number 3 says we have to take out the tank from the truck. So let's take it out. And then it says we have to pour some water. Be careful, kids. It might get a little messy. But good thing, if you have a funnel, you can not get messy. So let's pour some water. Be very careful, kids, because it kind of can get messy once you take it out. Number 4 says, kids, we have to put back the tank inside the fire truck. So let's move the tank back to the fire truck. Okay, kids, I'm done putting the fire truck. We have to screw this back. Okay, I'm almost there. Kids, step by step, we have to put this back with the tank. So I put it back. We have to turn the ladder. And now what's the So we have to push this button to fire some water. So let's fire some water. Oh, cool, kids. We just fired some water. Let's take out the fire. Wow! It comes with tools for the fireman. It has a jetpack, an axe, and a little flashlight, a fire extinguisher, and a face mask for the fireman. Let's dress him up so he can be ready for the rescue. Nina. This is an oxygen tank. So we're gonna put it behind his back. This is a face mask to keep the smoke coming into his nose. This is an axe to help him cut through doors if they're stuck. So let's put this on his head. This is a chainsaw to break through the wood. And this is what he looks like, guys. Now he's ready for his mission. This is a fire station. Let's unbox this, guys. Oh, look, it even has a helicopter. Look, it even has a ladder. Cool. This has cones. Oh, look, this is so awesome. It even has a fire chief. This is a rescue dog, and this is a fireman. Look, it even has dog materials. It has a hair comb, a rescue dog picture, And it even has a dog trophy, water tank. When the ambulance is not being used, it goes inside the garage. And when the fire truck's not being used, it goes inside the garage too. Now, we're going to set up the chief's office. So, the chief's office is going to go like this. Don't forget to put the chair. And then I'm going to put the tiny chief inside too. Now, I'm going to put the ladder right there. And here's the fireman. I'm going to put him right here. It even has these tools. I'm going to put him with the fire truck. Oh no, the building's on fire. We need to put the fireman inside his fire truck so he can take out the fire. The fire alarm. I can take out the fire. Stand back, everybody. I got this. I can move it back, so it will be easier. Shoot the water. Oh, I see. Okay, fine. Don't worry. I will get more help. Ambulance, I need your help. Oh no! Outside, if you can see anything. Help me! Keep shooting the water. Why are we not going inside? Shoot. Look. Come on, people. Hooray! We did it. We saved all the people! Yay! Oh my! Is anybody inside? Do you need saving? Yes. Okay, let's help them. There's people inside. I can't break through. I need more help. What do we do? We need more help. Don't worry. Maybe I can help you. Really? You can? Yes, I can. I have a hat. Hooray, we did it. Thank you, man. Good job. High five. that is safe. Time to go back home, guys. Okay.
Help! Can somebody help me? Is anybody out there? This vehicle rolled over me. Help! Help! Somebody! Can somebody call fireman?
Under the fire department to the rescue. What's wrong, baby monkey?
I'm hurt! I'm hurt! Please help me! I had a vehicle roll over.
Don't worry, I'm here to save you.
Thank you. Oh, that hurts.
You're okay now, baby monkey.
You're saved. Thank you so much, firefighter.
My pleasure. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh no!
Fire department to the rescue. We have an emergency. What happened, Talon?
I was trying to play with my tools and I tripped over.
Oh no! You have a cut. Let me call Dr. Aiden. Dr. Aiden, we need your help. Come quickly. Oh no, Aiden, look, here I got a cut. Let's find the band-aid. There. Aiden, let's check its ear. This ear. Check his pavement. Medicine.
Yeah.
Here. Treat. Oh, give him a shot. Just to see if he's okay. You okay?
Yes, firefighter, I feel much better now.
Next time, once you're done playing with your toys, put it back where you belong.
I understand now, firefighter. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Bye.
Bye.